guys, welcome to Summer Auto Parts. Today's video we are going to introduce our premium dry carbon fiber parts for Defender. For the first part, we're going to introduce you our forged carbon side mirror case. This one is the replace one, so we will use the bracket on the back side to replace the original one. And this is the gross carbon fiber we fixed 2 years ago, maybe 3 years ago, and it's time to retire to use a new one. This forged carbon, which is very high quality and premium style, so most customers is wondering to change this one. As per this video, we shows you before Chinese New Year, we have the side bonnet and also have the art style, the side vents, and that's also getting popular from the new beginning of this year. So today we will fix this side mirror for you, compare the one on the cars. For the interior parts, we are going to show you guys the dashboard stained carbon fiber cover, which uses screws to fix it. And we do also have our best-selling carbon fiber interior parts, which including the center console armrest cover, the steering wheel cover, the handlebar cover, and also the AC cover. So this we have the different for the left-handed driver and the right-handed driver, and we do also have the different for the car from 2020 to 2024 and 2025. For the new car 2025, there are some different detail sizes changed by the handle door and also the armrest cover. So in this video, the car is 2021, so that's no problem. But if you are going to make the order for your 2025 cars, please notice your car year's model. For the interior part, the one will be replacement because we have rebracketed this two style motor tuning, which is carbon fiber cover with a bracket on the back side. So the one is on my car is gross carbon fiber, which we post the videos 2022. You can check the video before, and that's very easy just to replacement to remove this one and replace this one. So I think from the taste of the 2004, since 2004, people prefer for the stained carbon fiber. So that one I think will be getting popular in the future. For the interior parts of the new Defender, we not only have the carbon fiber soft kit and also have the dashboard cover and the passenger side dashboard cover. And the one, you remember the video we posted last year, which is stained carbon fiber, and that one, the stained forged carbon, will be matched for our passenger dashboard. So this one will be replaced today. And one more important thing I need to let you know. For the car Defender 90, there's only one piece handlebar, and for the Defender 110 and the Defender 130, they're coming 3-piece handle door. And the one is easy to be removed from the car. Just use your tools to clip it and use the bracket on the back side to replace it. And the difference for the car 2020 to 2024 and 2025, the handle door size is different, so please notice and don't be forget to tell me when you're making orders. So follow my videos and let's go to see how's the different after we change that new unique carbon fiber case for new Defender.